slime kit. Has a lot of stuff. Oh, how are we gonna open it?
Okay.
So big.
Smash it.
Smash it up.
Yeah, let's use smash it.
It's so big. Can't smash it.
I mash it.
Smash it, T. Good job, T. Good job. Good job smashing your lipstick. We need help. Slime kit makes it smash crispy like slime. 1 pound. Let's open it.
Open it.
Whoa! Look how pretty.
Wow!
Look at all these slime. There's clear slime, purple slime. What color slime do you want, T? I want this one.
I'll get one.
You want those? Okay. You want that bead? Let's see what bead I want. I will pick hearts.
I want to pick.
Ooh, I might want these blue ones. I want these blue ones.
I want the pink one.
Show them what we're telling.
So for the slimes, we have clear slime, purple, orange, blue, light purple, and pink. And the beads are yellow, blue, and pink. Let's open them. Look, see.
Open it now.
You need help?
Okay.
Wow. Look at your slime. Look how clear it is.
Yeah, to help her.
Oh, I need help?
Okay. Wash it up.
Whoa. Look how cool it is, you.
Open it for me.
Okay. So there's pink foam. Let's open it. Ooh, just a little bit. Ready? Whoa. I want this blue star glitter.
Put your in the bowl.
I know. I can see you. Whoa, wow, looks so pretty, T. You like it? Look, my kid slime can do a swirl.
And the glitter, you know.
We already did. Which one you want?
The glitter one.
Which one?
Pink.
Okay. Now I'm gonna open this glitter I want.
I want the blue one.
Ooh.
Then I'll open it.
Okay,
Wait,
wait.
Thalia,
Put my slime here. Whoa.
Open for me.
Okay, sure. So she wants this pink slime. Pink sprinkles. Here, careful. Don't put all of it. That's good. Now I'm gonna mix mine.
Once it gets there.
Look. Look how pretty it is.
Sticky.
It feels really spiky. Whoa.
Look, it's sticky in my head. Look.
Look how beautiful that is.
What?
If I had like a red one, it looked like an American flag. I like mine. T, look how clear it is, like the ocean. I like it. Ooh, look at these. These are cute. Look, great hearts.
I want heart.
You want heart? Okay.
And too much I have to get much.
Here, T. You want some hearts? Ooh, look how pretty. My turn. Just a little bit. Look how pretty.
Wow, look at my moon.
I feel like this is the ocean, like with seaweed in it. See?
Pick the other one. Pick the other one.
Like it? It's pretty. Look, that's mine.
Let's pick mine on.
I feel like I'm cooking.
But you know what? Look, I pull. Look, what's in mine?
That's cute.
Is my heart pretty? You want some of yours?
I see you guys. Oh, look at that bubble. Jiggle, jiggle. Wow, look at her slime, guys, like a party. I'm gonna make another bubble. Let's see. Ta-da. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Like
Re-
mine. Whoa.
I think I'm gonna add some blue.
Yeah. Look at this bubble. I hear you.
I like mine.
Hello.
What's your slime, T? What color's yours?
What color?
Wow, hers is like a party. Messy.
Mushy.
Shut.
Hello.
So pretty. Mine's like a green and blue color. I really like mine.
I like mine.
Look, I have this one similar like to this.
Look, I can say one.
Wow. Okay guys, we're gonna end this video right now so we can play, and make sure you follow and like. Stay tuned for